Alright everybody, I'm heading out to a car that's in the ditch. Looks like it's a Honda Civic or something like that. Or not a Civic, but a Honda CRV. And looks like he, I don't know how, just wasn't paying attention or something. Drove all the way off the road into a ditch. But we should be able to get to the wheels on the driver's side and get them pulled back up into the lane of traffic. Luckily for us, this isn't on a busy street, so what I'm hoping to do, if there's enough room, is just pull completely straight, kind of like or perpendicular for where he's at, and that way I can just use the full power of the truck to pull him right back into the lane, no problem at all. So if everything goes good, that's what I'm going to plan on doing. But I'll let you guys know when we get up there. It's starting to, or today's been raining pretty good all day, so not super hard, but not that crazy either. But anyway, yeah, today is start of the new year, 2026 now. So we'll see what the new year brings, and I'll let you guys know when we get there. See ya. Alright, we're coming up on it right now. Let's see here. Oh yeah, he really went into the ditch there. And it's a deep ditch road too. Well, I'm not going to be able to go perpendicular as much as I wanted, just because the road's a little too narrow for that, but I am going to take up the whole lane here. As much of the lane as I can. I think that's going to be about it. I might have to move forward a little bit once we get it in the road. But that's fine. I'm gonna set up my cones and everything once we're set here. I'm gonna grab my coat and I'll be all set. Get this up on top here. Hello. Looks like, yeah, no problem. It's like he went way off the side there. Whew.
I hope we can just pull it out and I can go about my way.
Oh yeah, it should be no problem.
I don't think it really scraped anything on the way down. Or...
No. And sweet, looks like it's barely on that side. Sweet. Yeah, that works. I'm gonna put just a couple cones so people don't try to go around me when I'm winching, but and then I'm gonna move the truck just a little bit more on the side here. All right, let's move the truck over just a tad. I want to get pretty close, but I also have to be kind of in the middle of the road here. That should be enough. There we go. Alright. This truck doesn't have the cones right where I thought they'd be. So that's okay. They've got their car there. Open up. These lines released. Should have almost brought my muck boots for this one. That's okay, I'll try to get in here quick. Don't have to get too muddy. This time of the year, it's so hard not to get covered in mud. Everything's just covered in it. Have to wash off all my gear. Anyway, let's see here. All right. This line release, there's a car coming ahead, but they're just gonna have to wait. I'm already taking up the whole middle. Alright, should be about right. Now I may still back up a little bit. Hit the boom, it's more centered. Yeah, I think I'm gonna truck to about here. Yep, back up a tiny bit more. It's not an exact science, just trying to get as close as I can, ballpark. Yeah, that should be better. Excuse me. Get both these lines tight. There we go. Get the height up here. About to clear that hole now. All right, good to go there. We'll lower this down here. Get a little bit more. tie him back up on the road. Let me get that back end over just a little bit more. Sweet. That is muddy. All right, let's see here. Squeeze by. All right, there we go. Yeah, and then I'll pull up a little bit. I'll make sure that you can roll on your own so that it's not, the tires are gonna be caked with mud pretty good, so just go easy on the stopping because it might want to slide until all the mud gets out of those tires.
Okay.
But you should be good to drive.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Yeah, and then I'll let you go by because I have a shovel. I'll just push some of that mud back over.
Okay.
But that works. There we go. I'll move out of the way here. Oh man. I just cleaned my coat and everything yesterday. Now it's covered in mud again. You're all set. All right, yeah, no problem. Yeah, Happy New Year's. Shovel and clean this up a little bit. Shovel's on the other side. Come on, there we go. Just clean up the mud a little bit here. Some nasty stuff here. You don't want anybody coming around that corner and not seeing it, hitting that pile. That could push them into the ditch there. Just like this here. Let them pass here. I know a lot of drivers will just leave it the way it is, but I try to do my part cleaning it up. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just has to be a little bit cleaned up. Like that's probably good enough. Get a couple of these last little spots here. The rain and people driving will clean up the rest of it too, but that way it's not a huge pile in the road. Get this out of the way here. Get my truck all set up again. All right, let's see here. That was a quick one for these people. They can get on with their New Year's Day. Not too bad of a hiccup for them. thing, just a minor accident. Help them out, get them back in their cars, back to their daily lives here. Oh, I should have hooked that in the other side first. There we go. Get these wires, pull them back in. Let these people come by me here. Alright, got that one in. Get this last line in. This one pulled back up. That was on the jack mount there. Let him go by. All right, we're all set. We're ready to go to the next call, whatever that might be. Make sure I don't forget this camera up here. And we are all set to go. Thread the needle. Just like that. Alright everybody, we got that one out of there. That one actually came out easier than I thought. Unfortunately the road wasn't as wide as I was hoping for. It was pretty narrow, so I couldn't get directly lined up with it, but luckily that Honda didn't weigh that much, so all I had to do was get that boom right close to the center, a little bit more towards the front, so we have enough room to pull it back on the road. But once I did that, pulled it up on the road, no problem at all. And he was worried that maybe he wouldn't be able to drive it after that, but luckily where he went off into the ditch there, it's just a lot of water and just really soft mud because it's that drainage right off the orchard there, so it just gets all that water and just really loose mud there. So I wasn't worried about it hitting any rocks or anything like that because it's all just loose stuff there. So, but his car just sunk in that, so we were able, with the height of the boom and the winches, able to pull him right back onto the road, no problem at all. And he was able to drive off really easy. And all it took was a little bit of shoveling to get some of that big mud pile back off the side of the road. That way it's cleared up for the next driver who comes around. But another job well done. I'm glad I could take you guys with me on that one. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please hit like on the video, subscribe to the channel. It really does help out. We'll be moving on to the next subscriber goal. I'm not too sure what that is quite yet, but we'll set a new goal and we're gonna try to reach that goal. And like I said on my last videos, I owe it to all of you guys who subscribe and watch my videos. You guys are the true ones pushing my channel to make it better than it is now, and I really do appreciate all you guys watching all my videos, liking and commenting. It really means a lot. But anyway guys, I'll let you guys know when I get another one. See you guys in the future and have a good new year.